If you want to scale up your Amazon business fast, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to give you a full step-by-step walkthrough on what 2D barcodes are and how they can help your Amazon business. 2D barcodes are a special secret a lot of large Amazon sellers keep from small Amazon sellers. Basically, they're special barcodes that'll expedite your prep and tend to lead to faster check-in process as well. I'll even pop up here on screen what Amazon themselves says about 2D barcodes, and they actually say it makes sense if you're sending in a lot of Amazon FBA shipments. So to start off, what exactly are 2D barcodes? 2D barcodes are special FBA box labels you put on the boxes you send off to Amazon that actually embed more information. It's a larger barcode. We'll pop up an example on screen right here that embed more information within them that make it easier for the Amazon employees when they scan in your inventory to process it. And the more information Amazon can see when they scan in your barcode, the faster products tend to move, and it actually makes the prep process easier in terms of the actual process of sending shipments. To make things easier on your end, when we were making Boxem, we saw currently existing 2D barcode shipment softwares actually cost a lot more money than what we wanted to price Boxem at. So we've actually made 2D barcodes a lot more accessible for the Amazon community, and other 2D barcode and just listing and shipment softwares actually lack other features Boxem does have for a fraction of the price. And remember, guys, if you want to try Boxem, there's a completely free 2-week trial on our website, boxem.com, and let's jump inside my screen and create a 2D barcode shipment. All right, guys, so we're here inside Boxem. This is the Boxem interface right here. You can pretty quickly see it's significantly more modern than other shipment softwares right here. We're just in the create shipment page where we're actually going to be getting 2D barcodes right here. Shipment name, we'll call it 2D barcode test August here, right? Fulfillment type FBA. We're going to have FBM listing soon, and you can actually list new SKUs within Boxem as well. Ship from address, you can edit that as you see fit. We just like to do the Boxem office as a standard one here. You can add another shipment address if you want right here. Shipping method, SPD, small parcel delivery. You can do LTL if you want to as well. Packing type, individual. I like to do case packed right here. Labeling preference right here. Seller labels, box contents, 2D barcodes. So we can get those sweet 2D barcodes right here. And I also am a fan of printing FBA labels as you actually prep and box them rather than at the end. I've spent so much time like writing on the box and then coming back to them later. Meanwhile, with Boxem, you can print the FBA box labels, which in this case would be the 2D barcodes, which if you want to speed up the process, makes a lot of sense to use when you actually do the FNSKU labeling, not at the end. So you'd have to come back to each box, make it a lot easier with that. I get asked all the time, what should you price your products at? We added Boxem autofill list price, so you can just like default that and make it easier and avoid any price tanking. Right here, let's select do custom SKUs right here. So we'll go ahead and hit create shipment right here. Now we can see how fast the Boxem search is right here. Just go ahead and add in this SKU right here. You can replenish new SKUs. You can also list new SKUs as well. So go ahead and hit this right here. And then we can see the details for this page specifically right here. And then we can see the offers right here as well and all the different information on this. Go ahead and hit add product right here. Total quantity, let's say 20 units. Quantity per case right here. Supplier info, we'll say Nike, for example. Date purchased right here. You always want to make sure you add an expiration dates as well, which it has right here. And you can switch up conditions if you want to as well. So let's keep moving right here. You can do multiple products per box. You can list new SKUs within Boxem, replenish existing SKUs, etc. Here. So now we'll go to the confirm shipment page right here. We can see shipment 101. It is headed to Fort Worth, Texas right here. So this is when you tell Amazon where Amazon tells you where your inventory is going. Right here, we'll go ahead and hit confirm shipment right here. So now we can print out those FNSKU labels right here that will go over the barcodes or on the polybag specifically right there. And now here's where Boxem makes things a lot easier as well with the bulk assign feature right here. So all we want to do, so say we want to do 5 units per box, 4 total boxes right here. We could also go ahead and do oversized if we want to. We can say we can assign only a couple of them right here. Boom, right there. And then we go ahead and hit more right here as well. We can take that out. Here's to say we do 5 units per box, 4 total boxes. We'll go ahead and add the dimensions right here. I'm a big fan of the Walmart XLs, which are right in this range right here, right? And then we could add in different box sizes if we want to as well, mix and match and everything right there. We'll go ahead and hit save and print FBA box labels right here. And now we can see those 2D barcodes right here. So this is the big thing with 2D barcodes is this special, a lot larger barcode. The cool thing is now you can see kind of who's really pumping, a lot of shipments on social media. When you see people posting FBA box labels, you can see if they're using 2D barcodes or not. This is those special barcodes that embed more of the information about the shipment specifically right here that Amazon actually recommends, you use. Weirdly enough, you can't do it within Seller Central to our knowledge. You can only do it through third-party services, and Boxem's the cheapest and the easiest by far. right there. So you can go ahead and see those 2D barcodes right here that embed more of that information so that when an Amazon employee actually scans the barcode right there, they can see more of it. And we've noticed just from user feedback in our own shipments that this tends to lead to faster check-in times as well. And the faster, your inventory gets moving, actually processed with an Amazon, the faster it sells. And that compounded over a while can make a big difference specifically in your business right there. So basically the 2D barcodes are part of the upgraded version of Boxem. However, you can try Boxem completely free regardless here. And then we can go ahead and print those individual box labels if you want to for one specific box right here as well. I like just automatically printing them, and you want to make sure you set up your printing settings as well. Another really important thing you need to do as well in Seller Central is actually enable 2D barcodes as well. If you want help with that, we have the Boxem Help Center on our website, but it's just basically going in Seller Central and enabling 2D barcodes on there. If you want a full guide, you should check out the Help Center on the website right there. And then we'll go ahead and hit continue right here. And we're actually going to submit this data off to Amazon now right here. And this is actually the part of Boxem that actually takes the longest, is actually going ahead and submitting this right here. This is the part that Amazon actually receives. And now we can go ahead and hit accept shipping charges right here. We can see a nice summary of the item in terms of number of SKUs, number of units, number of boxes, and the total weight right here. And we go ahead and print those UPS labels right here as well. So taking a look at these, we can now see those UPS labels. However, if we want to print both, we go down here and hit this drop down menu, then hit print both right here. We can see those pop up right there as well. And we can also go ahead and print those 2D barcodes as well. Once again, per box, print F and SKU labels if we want to as well. And that's basically exactly how doing 2D barcode shipments work, guys. When we created Boxem, we saw there were a lot of just expensive and outdated solutions that didn't have all the functionality we wanted to have in our listing tool. And we also knew that we wanted 2D barcodes to be an accessible thing for new sellers so you can scale your business up over time and not spend an arm and a leg on shipment software every month. So if you want to try out Boxem and 2D barcodes completely free and get a completely free trial on our website at boxem.com, you can get started using 2D barcodes. You want to make sure you choose the professional plan on Boxem when you create that free trial and just create your account overall right there. Get started using 2D barcodes. If you guys have any questions about this entire process, please let us know down below. And overall, we got a ton of other features coming soon to Boxem, guys. We're super excited to share with you guys, and let's get after it. Time to scale up for back to school in Q4. See you guys in the next one.